depending on where you are watching Coastal TV from. Your mobibia watching essence mobibia akwaba shonko kra eba Coastal TV. Digital channel no 514 essence your Facebook and your YouTube. Mr. Mama say obeko social media to see our phone na ko Facebook. Uju Facebook a wo type Coastal TV Cape Coast. Coastal TV nafa Cape Coast eso ka ho. Ubenya yo Facebook na sa wo hwehwe yo YouTube so a no de type Coastal TV pa chava Cape Coast nka ho. Coastal TV on sabe kai e YouTube na afi subscribe, you follow, like, comment, say, and then share the link. Share link no send the link in the obi. And I make her say you never know obi a obi here information bi a ye share no enne ana asem bi a ye kai ye na ebebo obi ama na sigina ye bi ntimi srew bomodin say obe share link no dia ama me obe send e dia ma obi maka ne sa no me ni kan fast da kese emma otumfo nyankopon kwetwa mansan ba say yadom ono ana wa ma depa bi a cheye aye da so ti ase menu mienu ye home ye didi kasa bibi anya ye dia yemfa atededika no emfa ma no na ma misa nso fast da shonko crime ba wa kasa o hwe ye wo fie ejumam kamu onam kwan ho oko school ye da se pa se watini into Coastal TV na efe oni ye eba beche ye morning mix jumedie memo akwa ba shonko aba Sinase. Young fast day do also Emma Yabua for a National Petroleum Authority NPA, Sanso and a Patmo Print, Diesel Gift Shop, and Nesto Ventures, and Asaya says and the pay for Jumedi, Yemfa and Mel. Nani attended say on send no my reprimand Ghana just there's a reason for that. By the time I ever put morning mix no, now I can't show the internet, make sure Ghana just but only means I masha Ghana this year, write it in the comment section on Facebook and on YouTube. Maybe we didn't make any kind. I just want you to guess Nintia and then Masha Ghana Jesse. Maybe I reward them to Swana. It wasn't over, but just guess it in the comment section for me. Put it in the comment section on Facebook and then on YouTube. Now you can watch them. Alright, welcome once again to Coastal TV Morning Media. Yantua sona efe yamfa anopai motivational message yamfa mro. You see you for and I will. I'm not me action patro. It's not my fault. And it will be our fault for Coastal TV. But you see Jenny Great Co. Omunim who be ninti ane. Ya late on the morning mix. But it's never too late to do the right thing. It's no omudum light you, omudum light you. We are here. We outside 24/7. Aha, nti bomodin say only we fidie no emfie say alright enti another motivational message I dey bring no efri biblelife.com na pastor okita bible na we bie me bible dey ofun na so bie bible no ekọ Psalm 31 verse 29 instead 24 pastor mo fan cheme Psalm 31 verse 24 Psalm 31 verse 24. Okay, media no brofo NIV. Or say be strong and take heart, all you who hope in the Lord. Be strong and take heart, all you who hope in the Lord. I think biblelife.com has a different version. So I don't know say be strong and let your heart take courage, all you who wait for the Lord. Be strong and let your heart take courage, all you who wait for the Lord. Asama wakano tenten and tetia or say shawo woden na ka akoma to yem ubia wode wore ahye nyankopon mu sa wo twan nyame anim o hwe nanim sa obeye bibidi ama wo no shawo hoden na kama wakoma eto yem mpempi no na ye bompa ye alright ye kasa awrade mi jani nyina hye wonsa I surrender all to you but obehwe no na